Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my IFRS revision series. So, in this series, there are total 36 videos. That means 36 different standards. All the IFRS standards will be covered in this revision series. It's like a, you can say, a crash course for all your IFRS. And this is for all your financial reporting and SBR students, and also for the students of diploma who wants to get a quick knowledge of all the IFRS who are doing diploma in IFRS. This video is a very good start. So you can get all my videos under my IFRS revision crash course playlist, and to get all the slides you have to email me so that I can share the details about the payment for the slides. Now starting with IFRS S1. So IFRS S1 is about the disclosure of sustainability related financial information. This standard has been introduced newly. There are two standards that deals with sustainability. That one is IFRS S1, and the next video will talk about IFRS S2. For financial reporting, the FR students, only IFRS S1 is relevant. But for SBR, you need both S1 and S2. But I have included everything as I told you before. This can be used for any IFRS students who wants the knowledge of all these standards. It is not just that what will be covered in financial reporting I've covered. I've tried to include all the IFRS. Okay, wherever it is relevant for a subject, I will let you know. So IFRS S1 is relevant for both SBR students and FR students. So in this lecture, IFRS S1 requires disclosure about significant sustainability risks and opportunities. The information should be prepared for the same period as your financial statement. These are the disclosures that are required. There are four areas you require disclosure. First is governance. The process, the control, the procedure that are used to manage the sustainability risks and opportunities. This includes identifying the individuals responsible for identifying, assessing, managing risk and opportunities, management's roles in this area. So basically it's about your controls, the process and the procedure that you use to manage your risks and opportunities. Okay. Next is strategy. The company's risks and related opportunities, the impact on your business model, decision making, and financial position, performance, cash flow. Resilience of the company to this risk. Detail should be provided of the time horizon, whether it's a medium, short, or long term. Okay, over the which the risk could have a financial impact and how the issues may affect the financial statements over time. Next, risk management. How the company assess the likelihood and the impact of sustainability related risk, how the company prioritizes this risk, the input parameters considered during the risk assessment, for example, source of data, whether the process is consistent with the prior years, how the company assess, prioritize, monitor, manage, and mitigate sustainability related opportunities. Next and the last is metrics and target. How the company will measure, monitor, and manage their risks and opportunities. The targets that are set, whether the measurement is validated or assured by an external party. So that's it. Remember, this is not to say this is not a substitute for your detailed knowledge of IFRS S1. You still need, at the end of the day, the detailed knowledge of IFRS S1, which I have covered in my SBR as well as financial reporting lectures. All you need to go is go back to my SBR lectures and financial reporting lecture playlist, and you can get the detail of IFRS S1. This is just a quick short revision so that you get the quick knowledge of IFRS S1 within a short period of time. So thank you for watching, and the next lecture is IFRS S2.